Unless an administrator has created patterns for you, your first job within Tracking First will be to create your own patterns. Once you have added reports to the Get Started list, you can begin creating patterns for new campaigns. Expanding a list item will show any custom patterns that have been set up already, followed by a Create button. Clicking on this button opens the Canvas page, where you may build a template based on any code already captured in that report. Note that this is not a requirement. If you would prefer to create a pattern from scratch, you can use the Custom Elements button to directly assemble pattern components. A constant refers to text that will be used in every code created within this pattern. A variable piece remains open until you're in the code creation phase, where you can either select from a drop-down list or type in a value to compose that portion of each new code. Auto number is one method ensuring that each new code created across your organization will be unique. For this tutorial, we'll create a new pattern based on an existing format that we are currently using in this report. You may have noticed earlier that we already have a custom pattern for page search in Google. Now let's create a similar pattern for Bing ads. Being familiar with these codes, I realized that P's at the beginning stands for paid search, and that the letter that follows, B or G, denotes the search engine. Clicking on any of these Bing ads will promote that code to the identification zone, where, in a few clicks, I can reverse engineer a pattern that can be used to create more Bing ads in the future. This is an extremely simple example, where we have created a pattern that begins with a constant prefix, followed by an auto number. But Tracking First patterns can be as simple or complex as they need to be. The important thing is for you to generate patterns that will make the ongoing job of new code creation as quick and easy as possible. Confirming the pattern when you are done will allow you to give it a name, which will be added to your custom pattern list for this report, so you can use it again in the future. Then it will take you on to the next step of code creation, which we will discuss in a separate tutorial.